Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? Got another unboxing for you today. We're gonna get into a little gaming stuff right here. You know, I'm a big Call of Duty fan, but I recently ran across a game called Taxi Life. It's like a simulation game where you pretend to be like this taxi cab driver, Uber, Lyft type, and you're picking up people and you drive this cab. It's real nice to play with the controller, but I was looking at videos online. Most people have a steering wheel, you know, and a brake pedal and all that. So I picked this up right here. This is the SuperDrive SV450, like racing wheel. I guess they call it a racing wheel. This is for, you can get it for Xbox, Xbox One, PS4, PS3, PC, or even the Switch. It's by SuperDrive. So check them out right here. SuperDrive 450. We're going to unbox this baby. Look at this thing, 180-degree turning, programmable buttons, 3 modes right here. So all different types of vehicles. This thing is nice. So let's open this baby up for all systems. And let's just see what we got in here. Yeah, let's see what we got here. See how they pack this thing up. Oh yeah, look inside of it. Inside, you of course have the instruction manual right here. So definitely make sure you guys read that. Check that out. Yep, we're gonna read that. But for now, we're gonna put it on the side. In here, I guess you got the accessories box, and then in here we got the actual thing. Oh yeah, we got 2. Oh yeah, you got. I did order a longer USB cord because where I want to sit on my sofa, it's kind of far away. So I already knew that these cords wouldn't be long enough because I got it on the big screen, so I'd literally be right on top of the TV. So let's go to the accessory pack first. Oh, okay. This is actually this is actually the brake pad, the gas. This is the gas and the pedal. So there it is right there. Get the junk out the way. These are just your 2 cords that connect. Here it is right here. So you got the gas, you got the brake. You know, regular old plastic right there. So I guess if you ain't too rough with it, you should be okay. And that basically plugs in. This is gonna go into the main unit. Then you're gonna have a should be okay. So I guess that's all the plugs on it. There's no other plugs on it. So yeah, this just plugs into the main unit. Look like a little telephone connector. Yeah, it's not Ethernet right there. All right, let's get the other part out. And here's the main event right here, the actual wheel. Got the little tag on it. Oh yeah, a little quick start guide right here. Yeah, it shows you how to plug it up. That plugs into there. Then you turn power, so you can use it on any system. And then here's the steering wheel right here. Let's hold this up a little bit. You got all your different buttons on it. But the best thing I like, the reason why I got it, it's got these suctions on the bottom of it. So you can just sit it anywhere. Here's the USB right there. There's your USB connector. And there, oh, I like that. Look at that. Check that out, you guys, right here. You can change gears. So change gears on it. Oh yeah, so these buttons coincide with your controller. Like if you got a PS3, you got the YXL, the Xbox. Right here you got the share, home video. Right here you got the R, the A, the B, R2, just like the Xbox front. Does this work? Oh yeah, even that works in the middle. So all these buttons work. Yeah, so all the buttons work. And this feels real nice. It feels like a real steering wheel too. You got your turning radius right there. Ooh. So basically, you sit that down right there. So and then you just plug everything up. Real simple. And you got your turning radius right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you guys read the instructions. I think you can even angle this Let me see, can you adjust this? Yeah, so you can even adjust that for that to even come up even more if you're a tall person. So definitely check this out. This is just the unboxing. This is a SuperDrive SV4. You know, I'm gonna have a link in the description. I'm gonna definitely do another video. I'm gonna get everything set up, show you how I set it up. So definitely stay tuned for that video. Should be coming up shortly. See you on the next one.